Hi, my name is Jason Lesnick, and I'm a Principal Product Manager on the Windows Servicing and Delivery team at Microsoft. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for May 2026. Let's look at a few highlights that start rolling out with this month's release. Xbox mode is gradually rolling out on Windows 11 PCs, including laptops, desktops, and tablets. Inspired by the console experience, Xbox mode offers a streamlined, full-screen interface that puts your games front and center while minimizing background distractions. You can now use voice typing when renaming a file in File Explorer. View and sort preferences are preserved in folders such as Downloads and Documents when apps launch File Explorer directly to those locations. And you can feel haptic feedback on compatible input devices when performing certain actions, such as aligning objects in PowerPoint or snapping and resizing windows. In addition, this update improves startup reliability after boot file updates so that devices start normally without entering BitLocker recovery. Now, on to our Windows 11 tip of the month. Ever tried watching a video or joining a call, but the background noise makes it nearly impossible to follow? What if your PC could instantly caption anything playing on your screen? Windows 11 has a built-in feature called Live Captions, and it works across almost anything. Let's take a look. To turn it on, just press Windows key, Control L. If it's your first time using live captions, you'll be presented with a privacy statement. Select Yes, Continue to download a small language file, then you're good to go. Whether it's a YouTube video, a podcast, or even a live meeting, Windows starts generating captions instantly. And the best part? It works system-wide, not just in one browser or app. You can drag the captions anywhere on your screen, top, bottom, wherever feels natural. And if you want, you can customize the text size, style, and background to make it easier to read. Everything is processed on your device, so your audio stays private. And live captions aren't just for accessibility, they're great for multitasking, working in noisy environments, or even learning a new language. So whether you're catching up on a video late at night, tuning into a meeting on the go, or just want to stay focused, live captions help you keep up without missing a word. Want to learn more? Visit aka.ms/livecaptions. I hope you enjoyed this month's tip. Are there Windows 11 features that you'd like to know more about? Send us feedback via this month's release notes page, or leave a comment on this video on YouTube. You can find many more great tips on our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.